How to get current time in Python and break up into year, month, day, hour, minute? I would like to get the current time in Python and assign them into variables like year, month, day, hour, minute. How can this be done in Python 2.7?
The datetime module is your friend. You don't need separate variables. The attributes on the returned datetime object have all you need.
Here's a one-liner that comes in just under the 80 chow line max.
The datetime answer by Zaman is much cleaner, but you can do it with the original Python time module. Output.
By unpacking time tuple of datetime object, you should get what you want.
If you want to see more, please search some